So good afternoon to one and all. So today in this video, we'll be discussing about Nifty and Bank Nifty levels. So the previous days also, we have done the complete analysis mainly on Nifty and Bank Nifty on multiple time frames. So exactly index also has respected those particular levels. So today again, we'll start our discussion with Nifty 50 chart. So first we'll try to do the analysis on daily chart and then we'll switch over to the smaller time frames. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified. And do join the Telegram group. I'll provide the link in the description. So firstly, you can see I've put Nifty 50 chart here. So markets were very decent in a tight range today. You can see the candle itself, a doji type of candle was formed because it clearly indicates a consolidation phase. So neither in the upside direction nor in the downside direction, a proper strength was visible. So first we'll try to analyze on daily chart because that will be useful for the people who have taken any swing trading positions. So firstly, you can see the crucial level or the high which was made previously, which is around 23,350. So that is going to act as a very strong resistance over the coming days. So in case if the index breaks that particular level, so then we might see a very good trend in the upside direction. But if not, in the lower levels also you can see clearly I've marked 22,000 to 982 is one support level. And second support we have is around 22,826. So these two are the immediate next supports that are visible, right? So here you can see a very good buying region is also there. Previously, it was a very good selling region, but now in case if it comes here, we might see some price activity, but that completely depends upon the market. So unless and until a major downside direction is there, so we can't go directional as of now. So market will be volatile. So patiently need to wait for the right opportunity. So every level is very much intact. So keep these levels in your radar. So now let's go to 15 minutes time frame. So where we'll try to plot the intraday levels for the coming days. So today, if you see Nifty opened at a very good level, you can see today 11th, right? So today it opened here, slightly it came down, again it went up, again it came down, and exactly wherever it has given a closing in the first morning candle, again exactly it has closed there. So as I mentioned, that is the reason why we have observed a doji type of a pattern. So now for the coming day, if you want to create a buy position, that is a bullish position, so you can buy about 23,400. So why 23,400? Already we discussed in the weekly time frame. So there we have a very crucial zone. So that level, if it is breaking in the coming days, 23,400, so then you can go for a buy position. So stop loss is very important. So that completely depends upon the risk appetite of individual trader. So some people keep 100 points, some people keep 150 points. So some people keep a very wide range of SLs depending upon the technical levels. So my personal suggestion is switch over to the smaller time frame like 5 minutes or 3 minutes in that time frame. And wherever you see immediate supports are there, so there you can place your stop losses. Okay. Or in case you can predefine some fixed stop losses like 100 points or 150 points, depending upon your risk appetite, right? So that is for the buy side. And next, in case market is reversing, and if you are trying to create a sell position, so directly you can short the market or you can buy a put option or sell a call option below 23,070, 23070. So below that particular level, you can initiate a sell position. So again, if market is continuously going down, you can trail it. And you can also see 22,695 if a pure directional fall is visible in the market. So that completely is unpredictable. So I am expecting for time being market might consolidate between 23,000 and 23,400. A very tight range is visible. So unless and until it breaks any major levels, so don't create any position, don't create any directional position. So that's about Nifty 50. So now let's go to Nifty Bank. So Nifty Bank also first we'll try to analyze on daily chart. So daily chart, I think previously also I've mentioned all the levels. I've drawn the trend lines. So exactly it was following higher highs and higher lows. Completely uptrend was there. So it has tried to break it, but again, it has come again inside the trend line and it is in the channel as of now. So now the first and foremost thing for the index is the resistance around 50,000. So that is again a psychological level. We know round numbers play a very crucial levels, and most importantly, VIX also are visible. Sellers are also there in that particular region. So 50,000 is going to be a very crucial thing. And if it breaks at 50,000, then 1,000 points upside trend line resistance is also visible. So 1,000 point range is there for positional buyers. And in the selling side, in the downside also, we have a very big range. So you need to be very cautious whenever you're creating a buy position, that too in these type of markets when it is completely consolidating. So you need to be very cautious. So 49,000 is going to be a very strong support. And then we have 48,000, which was the low during the election period. So these are the major big levels for positional traders who want to carry forward their positions for the coming weeks or months, right? So now let's go to intraday charts. We'll try to find out next coming days or in the coming day, what will be the crucial levels. So you can see I've marked a few levels here, the intraday levels. Okay. And first and foremost thing, you can buy the Bank Nifty above 50,240. And you can see here a very good level was being generated by the markets. So today also, after it has come here, right, it has created a high. And after that, selling was there. Previously also good selling pressure was seen in this particular area. So that's the reason I'm considering about this. We are going to create a buy position and you're going to sell below 49,590. So this is a very crucial support. Previously also we have seen a good selling here. So again, in case if a candle closes below this particular level, we might see a very quick fall till 49,100. So that might happen in the intraday point of view also if the trend is big, right? So keep these levels in radar. So this can be your target levels if it breaks it. And once it breaks 49,590, you can expect 50,000 as your first target. 50,240, if it breaks, then you can expect somewhere around 50,500, 50,600, and 50,800 as your targets in the upside direction. All right. So keep these levels in your radar. Everything is visible. Market and trade accordingly with a proper predefined stop losses according to risk appetite or based on certain percentage of points. Right. So that's it. So any further queries you can ask in the comment section. Thank you for joining.